Welcome back to your English class. Children, today in this video, we are going to understand your chapter number 2, which is actually a poem. And the title is Meadow Surprises. Meadow Surprises. What does meadow means? Children, meadow means a piece of grass. Generally, we go to playground, we play there and then we come back after spending some time. But have you ever noticed that how many things are there which a meadow offers us? For that understanding, we must have a clear vision. We must be observant and we have that clear sensitivity that we should understand, that we can understand in meadows. In this poem, children, we will not only learn about what are the surprises, which are the surprises that a meadow offers, but we will learn some new things like new vocabulary, like velvet grass. Have you heard velvet grass? Brook, buttercup, nectar, scary or still rabbit, and many more. These terms will also be clear in this video lecture. Now kindly pay attention and focus on the text. So students, here we have our chapter 2, which is actually a poem, Meadow Surprises. A meadow reveals several beautiful things like a green field, a park and a clump of tree. Children, all the word meanings, the words which are quite difficult for you, these have been underlined here and the meanings of these words have been written here. Meadow, a piece of grassland. Clump means tree, group. A meadow reveals several beautiful things, and which are those several beautiful things? Like green field, a park and a group of trees. It has many surprises in store, but only if we look carefully. There are many things which can be seen in meadows, but it totally depends upon us whether we have that observant eyes or not. Meadows have surprises, means so many things are there which can amaze us, which can make us happy. Generally, we go to the park, we play there, we come back. Sometimes we run, we jog there, we enjoy the swings which are there. But other than them, also, there are so many things. Let's read. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass. What does the poet say? That we find them. Them means surprises if we observe closely. The grass of the meadow is so soft that the poet has compared the grass with velvet. Velvet means extremely soft. And listen by the brook. Brook is a small river which is flowing along with the meadows. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup. Butterfly, we all know that generally it sets on flowers. And which type of flowers? Butterfly is sitting on buttercup. Buttercup means cup shaped flowers, and generally these type of flowers are poisonous, but it unfolds its drinking straws. We all know that butterfly has drinking straws and it uses these straws to sip the nectar up. What is nectar? Nectar is the sugar rich liquid in flowers. Further, you may scare a rabbit
who is sitting very still. There is a rabbit also who is sitting in a calm manner. He is unnoticed, but we can scare him, we can frighten him, though at first you may not see him. You may not see him when he hopes you will. First of all, the rabbit is sitting behind the bushes, but when it hops, when it jumps, then we can easily observe that yes, a rabbit was also there. Further, a dandelion. Now, what is dandelion? Dandelion is a type of daisy family, means a widely distributed weed is there of the daisy family. We can see that now its head is unclear, improper, but it was golden days ago. Now it has turned to fairy parachutes. The daisy family flower, which is dandelion, it had golden, but many days ago, golden appearance, but now it has turned into parachutes that flutter when you blow. It flutters, it moves rapidly. Parachute, we all know that saving equipment is there when we fly in the sky, and that flutter when you blow, it moves rapidly. Explore the meadow houses, children. There are many houses also in the meadows. The burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mounds. There are burrows, there are small houses made by certain creatures under the ground. There are nests which are beneath the grasses, and there are amazing mounds also which are made by ants. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. This list is not enough to tell that which surprises meadows have. It has many more things. And how can we discover them? You may discover these meadows yourself. Being a poet, Lois Brandit Phillips have discovered such surprises, but we can go by ourselves. We can discover the surprises by ourselves also if we look and listen well. If we observe them, if we look closely, then we can also find out so many surprises which meadows offer. I hope, children, next time when you will also go to a grassy land, you will also try to find out that except playing hide and seek, running, jogging, playing with friends and family, which other things are there which we can see in the meadows. I hope that the poem is clear to all of you. Will meet you with a new topic of English. Till then, goodbye, children.